Moneymaker 879 to bring you another review for an eyeshadow palette by Karity. Karity is an indie brand that produces quality makeup with an affordable price. Karity was born when the founder was at a beauty counter shopping for his wife. He was boggled by the price of a simple eyeliner pencil. Of course, he bought the pencil, but the founder realized it was time for a change, so along came Karity. Karity is bringing you beauty product of outstanding quality at a price that won't leave your wallet empty. And the other palette that I got from Karity is their new eyeshadow palette called Rose All Day. This is what the box looks like in the back. The box and the palette itself look the same, front and back. The reason I got this is because it have a lot of pink. Hey, one that match my shirt. One eye on the left I did with the Karity Rose All Day pre-made palette, but with the Rose All Day I had a problem with everything, including the mattes and the shimmer. I have a difficulty of making this work on my eye. So let's swatchy. I love that this palette had the name on it. Brunch. One, two, three. Color in my hand Sunday. Okay, this color is hard to swatch, even with your finger. Here's the brushy. Are you seeing this? I can't see this. Let's move on. Well, the price is okay. It was $19, but I feel like comparing to this and BH Cosmetic might have been better formula wise. This was a hit and miss. Pretty color, but it's like, I want you to work. What you see on Instagram, don't believe it, because most of them are either big influencer, makeup guru, lightings, whatnot. But yeah, the matte is a struggle to work with. I would not recommend any of the pre-made palette, but I do recommend the single eyeshadow. I thought this was the end of a search for finding my perfect pink eyeshadow palette, but the matte didn't perform well as I expected it to be, and the shimmer is hit and miss, so I had to go back on my hunt. So that's all. Bye.